Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Krishna Tulabandula, Regional Head Regrop Telangana. Hope you guys are doing safe and good. So in this video, I would like to discuss regarding IGRS. The Telangana government, to help its citizens easily access property related services such as stamp duty, registration charges and encumbrance certificates, launched the IGRS, Integrated Grievance Readdressal System portal. This portal maintains land records and provides services related to land. The records maintained on IGRS portal will be helpful in case of any land disputes. These documents are considered as evidence to resolve them. Advantages of IGRS Telangana. There are various services related to land records on IGRS portal, and some of its benefits are: promotes transparency as most of the services are online. It reduces corruption and eliminate malpractices. Easy way to file complaints. Citizens of Telangana can file complaints on this portal. Time saving, and this online services, it reduced a lot of time for the citizens roaming around the offices. The services available on IGRS Telangana are: citizens of Telangana can use this portal for some of the services like property registration. This portal has all details regarding to property registration. Society registration. Details regarding the registration of societies can be obtained on the portal. Market value search. It gives the value of agricultural and non-agricultural land for a specific district. Encumbrance search. One can search for encumbrance on any property through this portal. Know your SRO, which is sub-register office. This helps in checking the jurisdiction of sub-register office. Stamp duty and registration fee payments. The stamp duty and registration charges can be paid online using this portal. Prohibited property details about. It gives prohibited property details in a specific village, and also we can get marriage certificates, and details about the registrations are also available on this portal. Chit fund related details like companies can also be obtained from this portal. So here are some of the activities that we could do on IGRS portal. Hope this video is helpful. Stay tuned to Regrop and do subscribe to Regrop for more real estate updates.